I'm so excited to introduce to you the Ultimate Starter Beading Kit, which comes complete and in a nice magnetic box for you to store all of your jewelry supplies when you're not making. So let's unpack this amazing box. It comes with all the materials that you need to create your own jewelry, along with a step-by-step guide and video instructions to go with. There's everything in here from findings to seed beads, pearls, and crystals, all in organizer boxes ready for you to keep them contained in between working on your projects. All of the materials in here are designed for everything from basic beading to a little bit of seed beading as well, so you can increase your knowledge and your skills with just one kit. We've got our crystals, our glass pearls, some seed beads in 2 different sizes, all of our findings, and even our stretchy string, some charms in here, ear wires, head pins, beading cable, as well as thread, needles, a bead design board, your big eye needles, some bead stoppers, a caliper to measure, your design board, a polishing cloth to keep your jewelry great, and then also this amazing little tool set. As we open up the inside tool set here, you can see that you've got some cutters, the 3 pliers that you need to create, as well as a bead scoop to clean up your mess when you're done making your jewelry. So whether or not you're a first-time beader, just making your nice new set of earrings, or even a bracelet, or a more advanced beader, we've got you covered. Go ahead and look through the designs as well as the instructions so you can travel and be on your beading journey. So this amazing beading kit is going to be your introduction to beading, and you can travel and continue to grow with us with our tutorials and our free videos online with Potomac Beads.